So the question that we have here is actually very common to the SAT. If you kind of picture it, it's something, whether it's a ball, rocket, or something, it gets shot up in the air and it falls down. So let's just say that's the ground. So in this case, they want to know what time did the ball hit the ground. Every time you hear the word ball hit the ground or something hit the ground, what they're telling you is actually that h is equal to 0 because the ground is 0 height off the ground. So in this scenario, they're actually giving us the initial velocity, but that's useless information. They're trying to kind of trick you by bringing in some physics, but this is not a physics test. This is a math test. So what we want to do is just plug in h equals to 0 and go ahead and solve that problem. So 0 equals negative 4.9 t squared. So t squared plus 25t. So what I'm going to do here is factor out a t. So I'm going to be left with so take that t out, negative 4.9 t plus 25. And this is where we just set each term equal to 0. So that's t equals 0, as well as negative 4.9 t plus 25 equals to 0. I'm going to subtract 25 to both sides. You get negative 4.9 t equals negative 25, and divide that by a negative 4.9. Negative 4.9 is pretty close to 5, so I'm just going to actually divide by 5. So this is now t equals 5, and that answer choice is letter D, so that will be my answer.